Hi, Gian. Nice work with your essay. I noticed that you have an introduction, and then you have one paragraph with your reason one paragraph with reason two, one paragraph with reason three, and a conclusion. Well done. So, watch how I change your reason and your list to a paragraph. I'm just going to make it all fit nicely like this. Okay? So now instead of it looking like a list and all starting on the left side, it's one nice paragraph and the sentences go from all the way from the left all the way to the right instead of stopping short here. Your next step after that, Gian, is you need to go to the 4VL writing and look at this personal essay writing checklist. You can use this checklist to work on your work. So have you already done an introduction? That's number one. If you have, make sure it looks like this. It starts with your claim, then it has your three reasons, and you've used some of these sentence starters. Here's an example. Then organize your paragraphs, and that's what I was showing you here. Make sure you organize these so it looks nice and neat like these two paragraphs. Okay? Then check once you've done number two, you'll make sure your conclusion has the claim first, then your three reasons, and then that fun sentence at the end, the interesting sentence to get your readers thinking about how drawing is fun. You want to leave your readers thinking. Here's an example of a conclusion that you can use. And then you want to use these transition words, Gian. You started using them. You said another reason is, but where can you add more transition words? Like, what might you add for your examples or your evidence, right? For example, for instance, in fact, an example is, you're going to want to write that here. So to begin with, very nice with that transition word. To begin with, I think drawing is fun because it makes us feel calm. It makes us feel calm when we feel angry. It makes us feel calm when we are feeling shy. For example, very nice. For example, when we don't know how to speak English. It makes us feel calm when we are patient. Very nice. So where can you add some more transition words? Mm-hmm. Maybe like additionally or in addition, right? It makes us feel calm when we are feeling shy. For example, when we don't know how to speak English. Additionally, like that means you want to add something. Right? It makes us feel calm when we are patient. So what I just showed you was how to organize your paragraphs. That's number two. And then how to, number four, add some transition words. This is what you should do, Gian. Another thing that I notice is where are your mini stories? Okay? So you should have one mini story for each reason. Actually, you should have two mini stories for each reason. But it's kind of late now, so you may only have time to write one. So your paragraph would be organizing it back like I showed you, and then when you're then adding transition words, then your mini story. For example, one time when I was in third grade, or maybe I don't know when you came to AISC, Jihan, you say, when I was in third grade, I just arrived in India and didn't know how to speak English. I was so nervous in class, but I would use drawing to help me calm down and not feel so nervous about having to speak English. Drawing made me feel calm. So that's an example of how you can write a mini story for reason 1. Okay? I'm going to undo this so you can do it yourself now. You should have at least one mini story for each reason, Gian. All right. By Wednesday, you should have everything on this checklist complete and a mini story for each reason. Speak soon.